In a groundbreaking development, Reddit has unveiled a contributor program that promises to compensate users with tangible, real-world currency in exchange for the accumulation of those cherished but intangible internet points. Commencing this initiative, eligible participants will now have the ability to transform their Reddit gold in Karma into conventional fiat money, as opposed to cryptocurrency, with payments disbursed on a monthly basis. Initially, the Reddit contributor program is accessible solely to users residing in the United States, and they must be at least 18 years old while verifying their identity through Persona and Stripe. Additionally, accounts must have a history of existence spanning over 30 days, with only safe for work content qualifying for monetization. Interestingly, this feature had been inadvertently revealed approximately 2 months ago by Android Authority when a reverse engineer stumbled upon data relating to the program during an APK teardown. The amount of money a Reddit user can accrue is determined by their Reddit Karma, representing the number of upvotes their contributions have garnered. To make a withdrawal, Redditors must accumulate a minimum of 10 gold within a 30-day time frame. Otherwise, the balance carries over. For users with Karma ranging from 100 to 4,999, they will earn 90 cents for each gold. Once a user amasses more than 5,000 Karma, the earnings increase to $1 per gold. This innovative monetization strategy mirrors the recent launch of a creator monetization program on Twitter, which is now rebranded as X. This program allows select creators to generate revenue based on the impressions generated by their posts. However, there are concerns regarding the potential for such programs to encourage spammy or clickbait-style posting to boost engagement. Notably, Reddit is also revamping its gold award system. In the past, users could purchase coins, which could then be used to acquire gold or other commendations to be bestowed upon exceptional posts. Reddit has now streamlined this process by enabling users to simply long press the upvote icon on the app or hover over it on desktop to purchase gold. Prices for gold awards begin at $1.99 for 1 gold and scale up to $49 for 25 gold. If top users can earn $1 per gold, this implies that Reddit retains roughly 50% of the payment. While these enhancements will be gradually introduced on the app, web users can expect access later in the year. These transformative payment programs come at a time when Reddit finds itself in a state of upheaval, with portions of its user base expressing hostility in response to contentious API modifications. These changes have rendered it financially unviable for many developers to continue building on the Reddit platform, leading to the closure of popular third-party apps such as Apollo, Reddit is Fun, Red Planet, and Sync.